What is CSR? Personally, I think that CSR is about how companies manage their business processes to produce an overall positive impact on society. Insaf Malaysia has been working with companies, cooperation, and implementing the CSR method for the last 10 years. The very first CSR program we introduced was Tampar Rumah under our shelter cluster. The idea came to me while in Indonesia during my mission for the Yogyakarta earthquake. There I noticed that volunteers would repair the damaged houses or pecah rumah, tear it down, and rebuild the houses altogether. I decided to use the same approach here, changing the name to Tampar Rumah for the many Orang Asal villages we visited in Selangor. It soon became apparent that the houses, hut they live in could not be repaired. They had to rebuild from scratch. Then we started the rebuilding. The tangible nature of the project made it very appealing to donors and perfect for a CSR program. To date, we have built 229 houses, and on our projection for year 2020 is 100 more. Over the years, more projects were made possible by the increasing amount of donated funds and by the fact that I became aware of the needs of the poor at home and also abroad. To give another example, while visiting a primary school, I was told that several children were performing very poorly and were therefore called lazy. But after talking to a few of them, I found that they could not see the whiteboard and were simply left behind. The solution was to get a bunch of them tested by an optician who then prescribed them with glasses. This is now our school eye screening program, which we implement yearly in 24 schools in Klang Valley. Our school lunch boxes program originated from one of my school visits when I noticed that at lunchtime, some primary school students from low-income families, while waiting for their next session, just drank water, then carried on learning on an empty stomach, as they had no money to buy food at the canteen. Even in an affluent city like Kuala Lumpur, we encounter urban poverty every day, and we try our best to help. Food bank boxes, which is 10 items, are another way to combat that is very urgent and real problem. We observe that families who receive help from Pusat Zakat and JKN tend to run out of money on the last week of the month. That is when they can collect our boxes, which can release their financial burden and guarantee food on the table for the whole family. On the international front, I am pleased to share with you the news that we have built schools in Nepal, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and houses in the Philippines. We are hoping to continue our overseas efforts, and contributions for projects outside Malaysia are always very welcome. For the past 10 years, we have seen a yearly increase of 25% in our funding, and each year we have matched it by increasing the number of houses built, of meals delivered, of people helped. In the next 10 years, Insaf Malaysia are hoping to double or triple our numbers with more companies and cooperation investing in our CSR programs.
For those who would like to lend their assistance, you can always forward your contributions to these accounts.